Meditation has been practiced for thousands of years and is known to have a wide range of benefits for both the mind and body. Some of the benefits of meditation include reducing stress and anxiety. Meditation can help to reduce stress and anxiety by promoting a sense of calm and relaxation, improving focus and concentration. Regular practice of meditation can help to improve your ability to concentrate and focus, boosting the immune system. Meditation has been shown to boost the immune system, which can help to prevent illness and disease. Lower blood pressure. Meditation can help to lower blood pressure, which can reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Improving sleep. Meditation can help to improve sleep quality by reducing stress and promoting relaxation. Increasing self-awareness. Through meditation, you can become more aware of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions, which can help you to better understand yourself and your actions. Enhance emotional well-being. Meditation can help to promote a sense of well-being, positivity, and emotional stability. Overall, meditation can be a powerful tool for improving both physical and mental health and can be practiced by people of all age and backgrounds. Starting meditation can be as simple and easy. Here are some basic steps to follow. Choose a quiet and comfortable place. Choose a quiet and comfortable place where you can sit without being disturbed. You can use a cushion, a chair, or any other comfortable sitting arrangement. Set aside time. Set aside a few minutes each day to practice meditation. You can start with just a few minutes and gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Get in a comfortable position. Sit in a comfortable position with your back straight and your feet flat on the ground. Focus on your breath. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. You can count your breaths or just observe the sensation of your breath moving in and out of your body. Allow thoughts to come and go. It's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. When thoughts arise, simply observe them and let them pass without judgment or getting attached to them. Practice regularly. Consistency is the key when it comes to meditation. Try to practice every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Remember, meditation is a skill that takes time and practice to develop. Be patient and kind for yourself as you begin your meditation journey.